Hello, and welcome back. The Vintage Phone Guy here. And today I will drop you back in 2008, February, so we can see the Sony Ericsson W890i. Display TFT 256K colors, a resolution 240 with a 320 pixels. Memory, internal memory 32 megabyte. Memory stick micro M2 supported up to 4 GB. We have a loudspeaker. We don't have the jack 3.5. We don't have a Wi-Fi, but we have a Bluetooth 2.0. A radio FM stereo RDS. A Walkman player 3.0. Camera 3.15 megapixel. A video recording 320p with 15 fps. If you stay to the end, I will show you some pictures and a very short video as well. USB 2.0, SMS, MMS, EMS, email, instant messaging, web 2.0. information provided by the GSM Arena, we have a removable 950 mAh battery, the BSD33 type battery. A standby time, it was up to 360 hours. And a talking time, it was up to 9 hours and 13 minutes. And to those who is celebrating the New Year, I will wish you a happy New Year. Thank you for watching. It was the Vintage Phone Guy. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. See you soon. All the best. See you in the next year.